Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open the AppexChange in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, AppexChange is the store of applications of Salesforce. So whenever you want to create or add any application to your Salesforce organization, you will need to go to AppexChange. So simply to open the AppexChange, you will need to go to the app launcher. So from here, we will find all these apps, and I'm just going to click on view all. And from here, we will see that we can be able to visit the App Exchange. So we click on visit App Exchange, we go to App Exchange, and now we have successfully opened our App Exchange. So from here, you will be able to start installing or adding applications to your organization. So we can explore, for example, for some finance applications. So here we can find, for example, this accounting on Salesforce. We choose it as an example. And from here, you can see its pricing. And of course, you can try it for free as a trial. Then you will need just to click on get it now. So from here, you will need just to confirm that you want it and proceed to payments and other things. So from here, you will need just to proceed and accept everything. And after that, you will have this application. So basically, those are the simple ways or the simple steps to open and access to your App Exchange in your Salesforce organization. Thank you for watching and see you in next time.